Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. As you know, today is a very important Astro date, so I'll show you the impact of that Astro date and how you can use in your trading. So Nifty has been going up from the budget day, which is 1st of January, and we have rallied almost more than 1500 points in 6 trading sessions, and the market momentum has considerably slowed down. I mean, the markets are not going like they were going before. So, a little bit of profit booking and selling pressure is coming from the upside. So so now let's discuss what is, the important astro date. So today Mercury is going in inferior conjunction. So basically, Mercury is coming between Sun and Earth. So Sun is the king of all the planet, and Earth is where we live in. So basically, Mercury is coming in between that, and whenever that particular phenomenon happens, we will see a very good moves in the market. I mean, this is a cycle which goes on. So let me just explain you. So I'm using a software called Timing Solution. You can Google timingsolutions.com. The software is available there. It is a paid software, so you can do a research on that. So now what I'm doing is this is this is where we come to know like Mercury is going in inferior conjunction. I click on plus button and then calculate, and we automatically get these cycles. So this cycle started from here, it is ending here, then again the new cycle will start from here and then it will end here. Okay, so this is the place where Mercury goes in superior conjunction, and this is where inferior. Now again the cycle will start and it will end here. So how we can use it? See, the first thing is you see a lot of moves around this. You see here, this was the date on 18th December. The very next day we had a big fall, and once this 18th December high was taken out, we have a considerable rally in the market. So what I technically do is whenever this cycle starts and end, I just note down these values. So like 18th was the date. So I'll quickly show you 18th. This is the chart of Nifty. This is 18th, to get a better clarity. I just note down the high and low of this day. So high was around 13773 and the low is 13658. Next day the low was broken and we technically easily get 400 to 500 points in Nifty and like 1000 plus points in Bank Nifty. So the very next day Nifty made a low of 131, and from there the 500 points came in one day. After that the high was broken here and we have a considerably rally on upside almost of 1000 points. Now you see here, this it broke this. I keep a stop loss of the high. Now you see here, the very next day, the budget day, the low made was 13661, and the Mercury this cycle low was 13658. So I mean the first hint was here that Nifty is not breaking this low. This could be a bullish move, and once the high was taken out, we had a one-sided rally in the market. If I take a previous cycle, so the previous cycle was somewhere here, it started here. Again same thing. See, if it breaks the highs and you get a considerable move. So this is a very good strategy even for an option buyer and seller, from both of their perspective. Like as an option buyer, if you see the low is not getting broken, once it is above the high, you can buy an in the money call options and ride the move. Similarly, if this low is getting broken, then only you have to take a short trade. So this is how you can use this particular cycle. Now this is the date which is happening today. So note down the high, which is 15159, and low is 15041. Now whichever side is broken, like 15047 is a very important Gann cycle level, which I've even I've shared on my website. So till 15047 is not broken, and now 41 is the low today. If this is not broken, there is no point of going short in this market. On the upside, if 15160 is getting broken on upside, then we can see a move till 15225, 15300, 15389, and 15424 and 15155. This 15555. This is where the new cycle will get over till 15041 is held. So this is about Nifty. Now I'll quickly move to this timing solution again to just to show you how these cycles have performed in the past. See here, a low was made and a good rally came, you know. So again, so this is about the Nifty's, it made a almost a top one day before, and after that it started a good fall. Now let's quickly see for Bank Nifty also. So this is for Bank Nifty. Again, the cycle started from here. The very next day, the low was breached, and we had a beautiful fall in the market. And again, if I see 18th, if you can see here, 18th, exactly it made it bottom near before the I mean, before our budget day. The next day, budget day, the high was breached, and from there, one-sided rally came. So these astro cycles give you a very good direction. They are called change in trend dates. But important thing is you need to note down the levels. Till the levels are not reached, there is no point of going long or short in the market. Now, like Bank Nifty has formed an inside bar, so it is preparing itself for a big move. So if this low of 13,872, which is even below 35,937, which is our Gann number, important Gann number for trend reversal. And if this high is breached, then probably this high will be gone and further, but it has completed an important PRZ zone, like which we have discussed in my weekly analysis. You can see my website brameshtechanalysis.com. There is a weekly analysis on this. So this is what about Nifty and Bank Nifty. The levels, it's very simple. I mean, you don't have to put any complex indicator, something, just note down the high and low, put a stop loss, and write the trend. So it has performed well before. Let's see what is in store this time. I wish you guys all the best. Follow this simple astro strategy, and let's see what market has in store. Thank you very much.